This is big, dude. Could you hold the arm?
Oh, holy fucking hiccup! Jordan, this is what it looks like when you fish. Oh fuck.
And show the other rod.
Got it? Should we get the other rod?
It's so good.
It's a Sarima, guys.
Guys, it's like a 10-pound bonita.
Sarima.
Dude, what do you mean? It's a 2-pound bonita. It's a 2-pound mackerel. Bro, it's a rainbow trout.
Give a nice picture of the window. Largemouth bass.
Dude, I wish I could catch largemouth bass at the pier.
I got some good pictures.
I wish that was as cool as Malibu, Jack.
That's what, yeah, because
This might not be a net fish.
I had a pool full of them. You're like, what are those? I'm like,
So wait.
no, head fish. Look at them head fish.
We might have to gaff this fish. Just gonna say.
Hey,
Either way.
he has it. No, I don't. Look at the gap. You have another one? He has one right here. What color is the rope on it?
It's green.
He has the green rope.
Okay.
Hi.
Hey, fuck you.
Hi.
I'm gasping.
Yeah. No, they already have it. It's my bad.
What do you think it is?
I don't know. It's. I don't know.
Heavy as fuck.
Do you feel
Yeah.
head shakes on it?
Kinda.
Like we're in
Where's the other gap then?
oh, we thought I had a sea bass on today, but it's a 100-pound battery.
It's done. Oh! It came off. Wow.
Still there? Oh, he's still
Nah,
there.
it came off.
Just reel down. Just reel, see. He might be charging me.
No, I saw him.
It's out. Damn. I took it easy on that one too. Wow.
Oh, sweet one. See that bird? Any teeth marks? Battery.
Probably.
Battery.
Damn. Oh well. Another one. Good fight though.
How heavy is that line?
80. Yeah. Ah. It hurts though, but that's good. That's good.
Turn around. Every now and then I get a little bit lonely and you're never coming around. Turn around. Every now and then I get a little bit tired of listening to the sound of my tears.